Blue Plains is the largest facility of its kind on the planet. On an average day, it treats 1.4 billion liters of raw sewage, an amount that could fill the nearby sports stadium. That waste is loaded with nitrogen and other nutrients, which by law must be removed before water is pumped into the Potomac River. DC Water General Manager George Hawkins says that waste has value.
We know that people buy nutrients all the time. So the question is, how can we take things out of the water that we're treating here and reuse it for the resource that it is?
A massive $4 billion environmental program is underway at Blue Plains. One project will cut nutrient flow. Another will prevent accidental sewage overflow. A third will make better use of solid waste by cooking it in enormous digesters, explains Blue Plains engineer and biosolids manager Chris Piott.
The microbes in the digesters are methanogens, and they break down the organic matter and convert the organic matter to methane, which can be collected and burned in a turbine, which turns and creates electricity.
That process will make enough methane gas to supply about 1/3 of the plant's electric power needs. Piott says the other half of the digested biosolids will be sold as a nutrient-rich soil additive.
If we blend it and make it look like a topsoil, we can market it. We can market it to the public, and it can be a source of revenue. It can certainly be a source of good, clean soils for restoration projects, for reducing runoff, for tree planting.
This technology is changing wastewater management in growing numbers of wealthy nations. But it's also generating interest in developing countries like Ghana, where a pilot project is underway to turn fecal waste into marketable products. That sludge is a sanitation problem that now largely ends up in open pits. The new digesters can help solve that problem and produce profitable byproducts, says Amit Pramanik, an environmental engineer with the Water Environment Research Foundation.
Can you recover that gas, and can you use that either for heating or cooking and so on? Can you grow food crops with this? Can you recover the nitrogen and phosphorus and increase agricultural yields?
What's attractive to the local community, Pramanik says, is the payback.
Get the community involved and see that the community is benefiting from, and the community sees that, they will take ownership.
Pramanik says worldwide these new green factories make good sense for the local economy, for public health, and for the environment. Rosanne Skirble, VOA News, Washington.